industry doesn't just give you suggestions, they also point you in the direction where you can act on the suggestion. That's why they have sponsored Westmart Flexible Packaging in Ikorodu. So while you have heard the teachings in the classroom, you can also practicalize it by going to Westmart in Ikorodu.
This is a flexible packaging company registered in 1998 and located in the Ikorodu axis of Lagos State. Their work is production of packages for water, bread, noodles, and other consumables. The picture now is of a gigantic 8-color printing machine, the result of consistency for 16 years, but this started from the scratch.
It's not easy to be what I am today. And I've been doing the business slowly to what it is today. So we started a company right from Agege, that's Iju Road, on a plot of land, and we started building it up to what it is today. In those days, one of my sister's husband, he used to make bread. He is the one that introduced the business to me. That he used always to buying nylon to wrap his bread. That if I'm interested in the business, it will be okay for me to do. And that's okay. Let me take a try. And I take a try, and it's working. So we started supplying to the market, direct market, in the Buteru. There's a place called Buteru where we sell nylon for bread wrappers, and for shopping bag we make that kind of a nylon then and supply to Buteru. And from there, I started developing myself on that line, so to what it is today.
Most of the equipment here was obtained through the assistance of the Bank of Industry. This has made Westmark more dependable to their customers.
The machine is 8-color printing machine, depending on the customer's design. So some customers they make 2-color, 3-color, 4-color, 5-color, 6-color. So depending on what the color the customer they want to do. So we first of all make get the raw material, which is BOPP or LD. We have a extrusion machine in the house. We make that, or we buy the BOPP. Then we will make the ink to the customer's specification. Then we set it on the machine, we will register it, and we started using the printer as what you see on the machine that's going on now. Now with the new machine we have, there's a lot of customers we already put our interest in their company that we are coming up with the new machines. Although before we are doing it, but it's not as what we have now. We have like May and Baker. You have like Stow Clean, you have like IPO, you have like PZ, you have like Shararams. We have a lot of customers that are there. Even we have Jago, we have Mr. Chef, that's base water. We have a lot of them that customers at hand. Yeah, sectors.
The details of their production involves a cylinder on which each customer's design or symbol has been engraved. The symbol in the process of production is imprinted on the material, showing the name or any choice or form of representation of the company or product. from the sensitivity of the logo, close attention is given to the colors and shades used. It has to specifically match customers' request or existing color. Although it doesn't look like it, during the process, the output must not have any smear and all pattern must be well defined. The latest invention in the packaging industry is the use of foil to cover the consumable first before the symbolized material is used, and Westmark has the equipment and know-how to produce this. Over the years of evolution, the demand for companies like Westmark has helped encourage the production of their raw materials, which are chemicals like metaloxane, ink, adhesive, and the likes, instead of importing them, which used to, among other disadvantages, delay their production in the early years of the operation. Most of these raw materials are now available locally.
There's different ink for different purposes. There's one for surface printing, there's one for lamination printing, there's one also for the for soap, for detergent, and also for the what they call it, bleach, also for food grade. There are different ink for different purposes.
The growth also sees the company producing about 300 tons monthly with a staff strength of over 100 and intention to employ more as demand continues to increase. The staff, and especially the managing director, have learned to deal with the basic maintenance of their equipment, another area which could have required the input of foreign nationals.
Definitely, in fact, we expect to have a problem in every day. And I'm ready to tackle the problem because I also have the knowledge about the machines. And I know where to source out my issue, to put my problems towards the manufacturer of the machine or the parts availability in the market. So there's no problem about that. I can take care of that.